Florida Home Electrical Inspections. Safety you can trust. Your home's electrical system powers lights, appliances, HVAC, pools, and smart features, making it vital in Florida's heat, humidity, and storm-prone climate. During your home inspection, we visually assess the main breaker panel for corrosion, overheating, and wiring issues. Check visible wiring for damage, test outlets for grounding, GFCIs, and safe operation, and inspect fixtures for proper installation and moisture intrusion. Florida-specific risks like lightning surges, salt air corrosion, and HVAC strain require extra attention. Warning signs include frequent breaker trips, buzzing or flickering lights, warm outlets, burning smells, or outdated panels. Regular inspections, especially after storms or renovations, help prevent costly hazards. Contact us to schedule your professional home inspection today.